Good evening, traders. Today is 12th of March, and I've taken this trade on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is basically the index comprising of all the banking stocks of India. Okay, it's considered one of the most volatile index in India. Okay, you can see it's one of the most volatile when it moves. Its swings are very harsh. Okay, it can go up and down in matter of seconds and minutes. Okay, so today's trade is based on this. Okay, again the capital deployed is same, is around 1 lakh. Okay, margin is around 1 lakh 94,000 here. Okay, the trade idea was simple. Okay, if you go to your daily chart, as I told you, same thing is applies here. Okay, if going up. Okay, on the daily chart, this is the daily chart. One candle here represents a time frame of 24 hours. 24 hours meaning the market is open from 9:15 to 3:15, right? 3:30 here. So that is that amount of time. It's around 6 hours or 4 hours, I think. Also don't know. Okay, properly. Okay, you have to just calculate that. Okay, so we have this. So again, the same thing applies here. As I said, if we are in an uptrend, if we are going up, okay, every black bar, that is a down bar, should be bought in. Okay, that's the same thing I did today. So this is what I was thinking. So from here, I am expecting the market to go up. Okay, in the morning there was a better trade, I could say. Better meaning much more momentum to that. Okay, was this trade. I wanted to short from here and then cover here, but again things happen in life. I was not at my workstation. I could not press any buttons, and I have a rule that I should never trade from my phone. Okay, whenever I've traded from my phone, I've just ended up in losses. Okay, no matter how good the setup looks. Okay, because there's the psychology gets disturbed. Okay, and the setup is this. Okay, so same thing I told you. So the thinking was same. Okay, this down move, right, basically made all the traders on a whole, like you can say whoever was trading, they thought the market is going down. Okay, this is where the market manipulators, you can say, or the market makers, or whoever is running the con man, you can say, these people, they want you to go against the trade. Okay, if they want that, if they want to take the market higher, right, they want you to sell. Okay, that's a this thing, because it's a zero sum game. Someone has to buy for someone to sell. Okay, someone, there should be, it's a two-way game, right? Someone should sell, someone should buy. Okay, same thing, they take the market down. This is where everyone is starting selling, like everyone started selling. Okay, after this bars, this, if you go to see how much it is, it's around 800 points. Okay, so if you have invested around 1 lakh, I'm very sure you have lost around 30,000 easily in a span of hardly from 10 o'clock to 10:45, hardly 45 minutes. Even if you go to a 5-star hotel, I don't think so you will lose money so fast. Okay, that's how scary stock market can be. Okay, this is where I entered. Okay, same thing for my, so the actual bias is so basically the real bias comes from the daily chart, which I use. Daily chart and 15-minute chart. This is where I bought. Okay, this is where I bought. Initially my idea was to buy here. Okay, but again I was not so sure also. That's when I got here. Okay, again you pay for confirmation. I bought here at a higher price. If I had got here, I would have maybe made more profit from this move. Okay, obviously I would have captured more points, easily captured by now around 250 points. Okay, but no, I did not do that. I waited for more confirmation because I was not so comfortable placing the trade, and I would like to close the trade around here. But again, then let's see. I'll see how the conditions are, and accordingly just a trade. I am trying to achieve at least 2 hour. Okay, if I can achieve 4 hour, I know that's amazing, but I'm trying to achieve a run of 3. Okay, which technically I got actually. Okay, it was here. Okay, around here. Okay, this is where I want to get out. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, and I'll see you after the trade hits the TP target. We're back. Okay, I like to close my trade at this point. Okay, it's going too late now. If I had two quantities, maybe I would have waited for a little longer. Okay, which is where I like to close 7725 47225. Very, what is that, very expensive sometimes. Just to sell and buy one lot, it will cost you around 300 rupees. Okay, that's the cost of doing business. Again, I like to sell on this price 7725. Okay, I like to wait. I think it should reach. If it doesn't reach in the next 20 seconds, I'm going to close the trade manually. Okay. It's time. I should be able to get out of this trade very soon. See. That we are very close to the target now. Few more minutes. I want to close around here. Okay. So till then, whoever doesn't know about candles, okay, it's going to be very easy. Okay. So coming to candles, okay, this is how price. People like to plot price like this. Okay. So we have the conventional way, that is basically your line chart. Okay. The line chart basically puts the. Okay, we are done. Good. We were on. Oh, I missed, bro. Should have been a little more. Okay. So 725. Our target has been hit, and we have booked around a profit around 3,000 rupees. Okay. I wish it was a perfect 3,000 number. I just get OCD with this number. Okay. It's very close. Okay. So the charges for this trade were around 186 rupees. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, but it's okay for the amount of this thing capital and the amount of this thing profit you have generated. I think it's okay. It's okay. Okay. There was another way to trade this. Okay, you could have bought options. Okay, options, something like this Indians and everyone are crazy about. Okay, so this is where they will buy an option 47,500. Okay, so they'll choose a price 47,500. Okay, and if they think the market is going to go up, this is where they'll buy that option. Okay, so instead of futures, they will be buying options. Okay, this thing is same. The basic principle is the same, that you want a market to go up or down. That is your direction. Okay, and let's say if we had bought the same option, okay, same thing instead of a future, it would have generated a profit of 113. Okay, but now 113 is how much? See, 113 into 15. Okay, that's a profit of 1695. Okay, now the magic here is the capital used here is very less. Okay, it's just 11,000 instead of my capital of using 1 lakh. It's just 11,000. So technically you could have used around, how many you could have used? 90, not even 90. Oh my god, around 135 could have used. So those 113, the amount of points you captured, right? 133 became 3 into how much would have bought? It was 135, right? 135. So it would have generated a profit of 15,000 from a mere capital of 1 lakh. Okay, so that's like 15% for a day. Okay, but at the same time you should also understand that options again are a very risky game. Okay, you should only come into option futures if you have the experience. Okay, it can make or break your capital in 1 day. Okay, I've seen people lose crores and crores of rupees. Not seen money, I've know lots of stories in person also. Okay, it's very scary. Again, stock market is a place where you can lose money faster than if you go to a 5-star hotel and do whatever at max speed, whatever max this thing. You could have got this thing, nice food also, and still you will be left with lots of money. Yeah, that's it. Have a good day. Bye bye.